Hello students, the lesson is Stephen Hawking, a very well-known physicist, you all know, and he is the world famous personality. So in this lesson we are going to learn about his struggle of life, about his real strength and the willingness to overcome through the problems and to go ahead. This chapter highlights the history of Stephen Hawking, who was a British scientist, professor, and author who did groundbreaking work in physics and cosmology. After being diagnosed with a disease named amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, that is ALS, his body collapsed totally, yet he proved to the world that where there is a will, there is a way, and co-wrote 15 books. He was the first to propound the theory of cosmology with his determination and obstinancy. Early life of Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was born on January 8, 1942. Before the diagnosis, he was an average student. At the age of 21, Stephen started tripping, dropping items, and his speech became unclear. After a series of tests, doctor concluded that Stephen was suffering from amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a disease which paralyzed him and required a speech synthesizer generating device to communicate. He, with the help of his friends, worked very hard to earn his PhD. Hawking's bestseller, A Brief History of Time, is a short informative book of cosmology. A briefer history of time and the universe in a nutshell were sequels to the first book. The grand design even proved a great success, which challenged Sir Isaac Newton's belief that the universe had to have been designed by God. Hawking's health remained a constant concern. The physical control over his body diminished and he was forced to use a wheelchair. He lost his voice and virtual control of his body except his cheek muscles. Stephen Hawking was a physicist, cosmologist, author, and director of research at the Center of Theoretical Cosmology and Cambridge University. He was an honorary fellow of the Royal Society of Arts, that is FRSA. Since 2009, Stephen Hawking had been completely paralyzed, but through a speaking program and with the help of his assistants, he wrote and gave several scientific lectures. He breathed his last on 14 March 2018. Now, this is a very beautiful and really that we can learn something and how we can be very strong, and something unusual, uncommon can also be done by us. Now, the books mentioned in this passage he has written is A Brief History of Time, which was published in 1988. The Universe in a Nutshell was published in 2001. A Briefer History of Time was published in 2005. The book A Brief History of Time is an account of cosmology for mass and offered an overview of space and time, the existence of God and the future. The work was an instant success, spending more than 4 years atop the London Sunday Times bestseller list. It was sold millions of copies worldwide and had been translated into more than 40 languages. So, his books are also today helping us in the fields of science and arts. So, the rest, the same lesson, the rest parts of the lesson I am going to once again explain you in the Zoom meeting. Thank you.